স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. How are you?
স্যার ফাইন।
Thanks, sir.
সবার পড়াশোনা কেমন চলছে?
Sir,
সবাই আপনাদের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দিয়ে দেন। জয়েন করেছেন রাফিয়া জামান, মেহরুন্নেসা, তারপরে এটার মধ্যে কি 1NBM50 কে আছেন বলেন? আবরার আহমেদ। তারপর আরেকজন কি?
Sir, it's me, Tashfia Nodar. Sir, assalamu alaikum.
আপনারা এখানে নামটা লিখে রাখেন, হ্যাঁ?
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
নাম্বার, নাম, ব্যাচ তিনটা লিখে রাখবেন জুমের আইডিতে, হ্যাঁ? জুমের আইডিতে
জি স্যার।
নাম, রোল, ব্যাচ এই তিনটা লিখবেন। তো আপনাদের পরীক্ষা 11 তারিখ থেকে শুরু হচ্ছে, 25 তারিখের মধ্যে শেষ হবে।
okay, sir.
হবে বলেন।
Sir, I've got a question. Will it be like the last exam that we had, or different?
Last exam, which one?
The last semester.
Last semester. Okay,
Yeah,
what type of the difference that you're talking about?
Will it be question answer again, or MCQ, multiple choice?
MCQ, that means you sat for MCQ exam the last semester. For how many courses? Only one, or all the courses you sat with the method of MCQ questions? All of the courses, or only one or two?
I don't know about that, sir, but like, will it be question answers and the exam we're gonna have?
Pardon? Say again.
Will it be question answers again?
I can't understand you. Can you clearly say?
Will it be question answers?
I asked you that how many courses you actually sat for with MCQ or quiz type questions. All the courses are one or two courses in the last semester. Can you understand me or not?
Yes, I can.
Okay, can I answer the question? One course or all courses in MCQ method?
One.
Please say something. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Pardon?
I didn't say anything.
আপনার কথা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, আপনি বাংলা বলতে পারেন?
Yes, আমি বুঝতে পারছি, স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, আমি আপনাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছি যে আপনি এমসিকিউ তে গত সেমিস্টারে সবগুলো কোর্স করেছেন নাকি একটা বা দুইটা কোর্স পরীক্ষা দিয়েছেন এমসিকিউ মেথডে পদ্ধতিতে। আচ্ছা মেহেরুন্নেসা, you send a message, send a message saying that you are sick and suffering from fever. Right. That's why you leave. Okay. Without permission, you leave. Okay. Abrar, my course. Okay, the exam of my course will be in the method of regular question rather than any MCQ method. Okay. Regular question, you have to you will have 2 hours to write your answer with pen and paper, and then take pictures of those and convert it into PDF file and then upload on e-learning. And the section in which you will submit your answer, you will find it in week 14. Okay, so there will be 2 sections,
Okay, sir.
different sections. One is for question
Okay.
paper, which you immediately after finding it download. Okay, download it and then write your answer. And after finishing your writing, you will upload the PDF format after taking the
Okay, sir.
pictures and converting them in PDF. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
so you will find that in week 14. Week 14, your final exam question and answer submission option will be given
Week
in
14.
week 14. Okay,
Week 14.
14, 1 4.
Okay, thank you.
Understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, so there will be no MCQ method of questioning and answering, only the regular format as you sat for in the mid-term exam. Okay, can you remember how you actually uh, submitted your answer in mid-term exam?
Yes, sir.
So the same way. So in your mid-term exam, the total mark was 15. Excuse me. Okay, so have you any queries regarding final exam? The other students except Abrar Zahinul.
Sir, time.
Okay, exam time will be from 7:15 to 9:30. 2 hours for writing and 15 minutes for uploading your answer script in PDF format.
Okay.
But that
Okay,
must
sir.
be
How many
in
questions?
handwritten format. Okay. First take the photographs of your handwritten copies and then convert all the pictures in PDF format.
Okay, sir.
Right? The same way
Okay, sir.
as you sat for in the midterm exam.
Okay, sir. স্যার কোশ্চেন তো আগের বার যে তার থেকে তো এবার একটু বেশি কোশ্চেন আসবে যেহেতু টাইমও বেশি নাম্বারও
Absolutely,
বেশি
absolutely. Final exam
Yes.
question pattern will be like you have to write 3 3 broad questions. Okay, you have to write answer to the 3 broad questions out of 4, and each will carry 10 marks. So 10 times
Okay.
3 times 10 equals 30. Okay, and
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
3 short notes. There will also be another type of question, which is short notes, writing short notes. So you have to write two short notes out of 3. Okay, and each of short notes will carry 5 marks. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So altogether, the total mark for final exam will be 40. Okay, so your assessment will be on 40 marks for final exam. So broad question is like, is Pope being ironic when he sorry. So you 3 texts. Okay, question will be based on your 3 texts, all 3 texts. Don't ignore one. Okay, you have to read all the 3 texts and focus on major themes, symbols, criticisms, character analysis, plot analysis. Okay, so these things keep in mind while you take preparation of the exam. And for short notes, like genre-based question may appear, or character description-based question may appear. Okay. So what 3 texts have you studied? Can you mention this for me? What 3 texts have you studied so far in the semester?
Things fall apart, guide,
Things fall
and
apart, the
a house,
guide, and
a house for Mr.
a house
Bishop.
for Mr. Bishwas, right? That by V.S. Neighbor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3 broad questions, 30 marks, and 2 short notes, 10 marks. Altogether 40 marks. So this is the structure or pattern of your final exam question paper. And you have to write as the on-campus exam. Okay. Just the difference is this is virtual one. You have to submit the virtual or abstract copy, soft copy in PDF format, while you usually submit the hard paper during the on-campus exam. Okay. So the things are similar. The difference is the digitalized version.
Sir, the exam will be on campus.
No. You will sit for the exam online rather than on campus.
Okay.
Online. Okay. Absolutely online through your e-learning platform. Make sure
Yes,
you
sir.
can access your e-learning platform, and also make sure you have paid all your tuition fee dues. Okay, regular tuition fees and dues as well. Okay, if there is any
Yes.
dues, okay, shows in your account of your student portal, right? So you will not get any access to the e-learning platform. If you don't get any access to the e-learning platform, you will not be able to sit for the exam. Okay, so make sure you you have cleared the dues, right? Can you understand me?
Yes, sir. Sir, will we have any admit card for final, or it's just
Okay,
our
you can
tuition fee?
collect your admit card from your student portal. Okay, however,
Yes, sir.
as your tuition fee is clear and your automatically your admit card will be generated in e-learning platform in your student portal. Okay, so through your access
Sir.
to the e-learning, you will automatically proved that you have got admit card. Okay, so don't worry about that. So make sure you can get access to e-learning platform. So that is your admit through
Okay, sir.
online
Thank you.
exam. However, You also reserve your admit card by downloading it from the student portal of WB. Okay. Download your admit card and reserve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because at the end of your program, your education, you need to show all your admit cards. Okay, to collect your certificate and other administrative activities. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
always
Thank you.
download your admit card and preserve it in a file in your or folder in your on your computer, and you can also get hard copy by printing those. Okay. So today after this class, I will send the exam routine to your email. Okay, check your World University email for your exam routine. Okay. However, let me say which exam will be held first. Okay. Hold on for a second. Let me check. Say you. So your master's 1 year, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 11th of August will be your first exam date, and the first exam is Shakespeare 1. Okay. First exam is Shakespeare 1, and your exam time is 4:20. I mean evening, afternoon time. So for the timing, consult your course teacher Humaira Akhtar. Okay. She will guide you about your exam time. In the routine, it is mentioned as 4:20 to 6:20, but you will get 15 minutes extra for uploading. Not now. Later, okay.
Sir, won't we get our physical routine after 8 maybe?
Okay, say again, please. Okay.
Sir, won't we get a copy of the
হ্যাঁ বলেন ইশরাক বলেন ক্যারি অন
Yes, sir. আমি বলছিলাম, sir, will we get a copy of the routine, sir?
yes, of course. After this class, I have already said that I will send the routine to your email, World University
Okay,
email.
sir.
Okay, check it out after the class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, the first exam will be on 11th August, Friday afternoon. Okay, 4:20 মানে 4টা বিকাল 4:20 এখানে রুটিনে আছে হুমায়রা আক্তার ম্যাডামের শেক্সপিয়ার 1, এটা 11 তারিখ হবে। তারপর আচ্ছা মেহরুন্নেসা কিছু বলতে চাচ্ছেন, বলেন মেহরুন্নেসা।
স্যার আমার তো বেতন মানে একদম আগেই